A happy morning, dear children. Welcome to Hindi session. Let us begin our session with one rhyme, children. The previous one. Yes, can you see this picture? Badal, clouds. Yes. देखो देखो बादल आया. Shall we recite? देखो देखो बादल आया, साथ अंधेरा कैसा छाया. बादल गरजा गड़ गड़ गड़, मेंढक बोला टर टर टर. पानी बरसा छम छम छम, छाता लेकर निकले हम. पांव फिसल गया गिर गए हम, नीचे छाता ऊपर हम. नीचे छाता ऊपर हम. वन मोर टाइम. यस. देखो देखो बादल आया, साथ अंधेरा कैसा छाया. बादल गरजा गड़ गड़ गड़, मेंढक बोला टर टर टर. पानी बरसा छम छम छम, छाता लेकर निकले हम. पांव फिसल गया गिर गए हम, नीचे छाता ऊपर हम. नीचे छाता ऊपर हम. Very good, children. Yes, children, today we will be writing our Hindi activity book, which is Shabd Abhyas. Shabd Abhyas is our Hindi activity book. Today we are going to start our Hindi activity book, children. Okay. Yes. Here we have the pictures of Ullu, Angur, Aam, etc. Then in this page we have Vyanjan Geet. आइए मिलकर गाए. Let us sing. केला तोड़ा माली ने, खीरा रखा थाली में. गमले में फूल उगाना, घड़ी सुनाए टिक टिक गाना. This is the Geet which starts with the Vyanjan Akshar. Yes, in this page. Then the next page we have Swar Geet. This is the sentences which used swar akshar. For example, अचकन लाओ आम खाओ, इमली खट्टी सबको भाती. आइए मिलकर गाएं. This is to sing, children. Sing and enjoy. Yes. Then coming to the first page we have का वर्ग वाले अक्षर. In our Hindi activity book, the first page we have का वर्ग वाले अक्षर. Once we will read here. पढ़िए और लिखिए. Yes. The first letter K. K. G. Gh. Ang. क से केला, ख से खत, ग से गमला, घ से घड़ा, अंग. Yes, here in the first line they have given dotted letters. We need to trace the dots and complete the letter neatly with your pencil. Yes, trace the dots and complete the letter. And down 2 more lines are given. You need to complete those lines also. Then in the next line we have चा वर्ग वाले अक्षर. च से चम्मच, छ छ से छतरी, ज से जहाज, झ से झंडा, इन्या। च, छ, j, jh, enya. Here also the first line is dotted letters. You need to trace the dots and complete the next two lines also. And in the second page we have few pictures. You need to identify the picture, and in the boxes provided here you need to write the initial letter of the given picture. चित्र पहचान कर पहला अक्षर लिखिए। चित्र पहचान कर पहला अक्षर लिखिए। पहला अक्षर इज द फर्स्ट लेटर, इनिशियल लेटर। यस, व्हाट इज दिस पिक्चर? गमला। व्हाट से गमला? ग से गमला। So in this box we will be writing the initial letter of the given picture. Initial letter means the first letter, पहला अक्षर। Okay, G. How to write G? Standing line, a circle, and here standing line. Over the head, sleeping line. G से gamla. Here this picture, cup. What say cup? K. K से cup. So in this box we are writing K. How to write K? Soft K. Standing line, go up, a circle, and with that come down. Over the head, sleeping line, K. K से cup. Then this one, ghar. What say ghar? Gha से ghar. How to write gha? Curve. One more curve. Go up. Touch the line. Come down. And over the head. Sleeping line. Gha se ghar. Then here your favorite bunny. Khargosh. Yes. Kha se khargosh. How to write kha? Back curve, come back, go up, touch the line, come down, and a loop here. Makes khargosh. Kh se khargosh. Then what is this picture? What is this picture? Charkha. Charkha. Ch se charkha. How to write cha? Sleeping line, upwards curve or U. Touch the line, come down, over the head, sleeping line. Cha se charkha. This one, jahaj. How to write ja? U, sleeping line, and a standing line. Over the head, sleeping line. Ja se jahaj. Jharna. Jha se jharna. Standing line. Write yes with a loop. Come down. And from here the curve starts. Go up, touch the line, come down, over the head, sleeping line. Jha se jharna. Then cha se chhatri. How to write cha? Curve, one more curve, go up, a small loop, and a standing line, over the head, sleeping line. Cha se chhatri. Shall we read it once? Yes. Ga se gamla. Ka se cup. Gha se ghar. ख से खरगोश, च से चरखा, ज से जहाज, झ से झरना, छ से छतरी. Then in page number 3 we have टा वर्ग वाले अक्षर. ट, ठ, ड, ढ, ण. ट से टमाटर, ठ से ठेला, ड से डमरू, ढ से ढोलक, न. Here also the first line is the dotted letters. Trace the dots and complete the line. Then down 2 more lines are there. Complete that also. Read and write. The heading, what is that? Padhiye or likhiye. Read and write many times. The next one. Ta varg wale akshar in the same page. Ta, th, the, dh, na. त से ताला, थ से थर्मस, द से दवात, ध से धनुष, न से नल. Here also the first line is the dotted letters. Trace the dots and complete the letters. Read and write, children. Yes, in page number 4 we have few pictures. Here also again you need to identify the picture and write the initial letter, that is first letter. चित्र पहचान कर पहला अक्षर लिखिए. See the first picture, what is it? टमाटर. What से टमाटर? ट से टमाटर. How to write ट? Small standing line, a curve, over the head sleeping line. ट से टमाटर. Here टटेरा. Small standing line, a circle, over the head sleeping line. ट से टटेरा. Here नल. न से नल. A small circle, sleeping line and standing line, over the head sleeping line. न से नल. Thermos. What is this picture? Thermos. थ से thermos. A circle, small curve, come back, and a standing line, over the head sleeping line. थ से thermos. तलवार. Curve, sleeping line and standing line, over the head sleeping line. तलवार. दवात. द से दवात. Small standing line, curve with a loop, come down, over the head sleeping line. दवात. द से दवात. ढक्कन. How to write ढ? Small standing line, curve and a circle, over the head sleeping line. ढक्कन. धनुष. Small circle, curve, one more curve, go up, come down, and over the head sleeping line. Dhanush. Damru. Small standing line, a yes, over the head sleeping line. Damru. Shall we read it once? ट से टमाटर, ठ से ठटेरा, न से नल, थ से थर्मस, त से तलवार, द से दवात, ढ से ढक्कन, ध से धनुष, ड से डमरू. Yes, in the next page we have पा वर्ग वाले अक्षर. प, फ, ब, भ, म. प से पत्ता, फ से फूल, ब से बस, भ से भालू, म से मोर. Yes, the first line, dotted letters, trace the dots with your pencil neatly and complete the next two lines. The next pictures we will be doing in our next class. So what is your work today? Today you are going to write in our Hindi workbook. Yes, already we have practiced all these letters in our notebook, children. You need to complete page number 1, ka varg wale, cha varg wale akshar, and page number 2, identify the picture and write the initial letter, and page number 3, ta varg wale, ta varg wale akshar. Page number 4, identify the picture and write the initial letter, and page number 5, you are writing only pa varg wale akshar. Yes, the remaining next line we will be writing in our next class. Whenever you are writing, read and write, children. It is clearly given that padhiye or likhiye, which means read and write. Yes, and you are going to write Vyanjan akshar ka to ma in your notebook also, children. Yes, try to complete your work neatly, read and write. Thank you, children. Have a pleasant and wonderful day.